So I have arrived at the Santa Monica Pier in LA County, California. My sister lives in Los Angeles, so when I was in Arizona with my wife and my stepdaughters, I figured they should spend some time. They wanted to spend some more time in New Mexico and in Arizona, so I figured let them have a girls' time. And I drove 6 hours west to come see my sister who lives in Los Angeles. And now I have arrived at the Santa Monica Pier. We're gonna go down on Laguna Beach, but I figured that I stop and kind of show around this area. And this is my first time ever in California. I've lived in the United States for 25 years, and out of that 25 years, I never really traveled this far. The furthest I've ever gone before this trip was Colorado, and now I can comfortably say that I've drove cross country and drove back. I've done the whole cross country thing. We are driving on Santa Monica. Drove all the way from Arizona to LA to meet up with my sister and some friends. Woo-hoo. Hi everybody.
Hello.
Hello. Hi, my sister. Hello. Okay. Anyway, so I'm gonna post some more videos shortly.
Santa Monica.
In Santa Monica. What's the name of this place?
Earth Cafe.
Earth Cafe. And Earth Cafe, it's supposed to be one of the most popular coffee places in the area, so we're gonna go check it out. Oh, we gotta have to go wait in line. Is this one of those things? Yeah, it's a pretty popular place.
Do you want like a pastry or something?
I'm probably gonna have a croissant or something like that.
I get the cheesecake, the Napoleon, and I get
Looking really good.
cheese Danish. Yeah, really good. But
It's nice to be on the beach after all that driving cross country, Ooh. Yeah, I needed this. So there are these natural pools that you can go into, and they're freaking awesome. I love it. area where these rocks are, you'll find a bunch of mussels. Alive mussels. You see that? These are all mussels. Look at that. I mean, they're pretty attached to these rocks. But there's a lot of mussels on these rocks. And it's all over. It's like a natural mussels farm. And you get this natural pool right here, and there's tons more underneath the water. And you got this hanging out with the boys, enjoying ourselves. Some of the architectural designs at Laguna Beach is just phenomenal. I mean, imagine having a view like this. This is a residential home that sits right on the beach, and in the bottom floor, that glass right there, that's a gym. So when they're working out, they have a view like this. Wow. It's just stunningly beautiful. And we have plans to have dinner at a French restaurant here in Orange County, which will conclude my 10-day journey cross country all the way from Washington, D.C. I will be heading back to the East Coast early tomorrow morning and hoping to arrive in the Northern Virginia area by Tuesday night. Bar area in the back. So we're just sitting here watching the Lakers game, waiting for the food to come out, and Soela is going to be coming out in just a moment. I'll introduce you folks to her as soon as she steps out. Trying this Arabic coffee that has hints of cardamom.
Did you see that?
And it's very rich, full of flavor. Something I needed to wake me up, and after spending the entire day at the beach. So. Tenderloin fillet and the ground beef kebab with roasted veggies, saffron rice with a little bit of yogurt, cucumber, tzatziki. And Soela, say hello.
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 Hi.
So she's my longtime friend, known her for a while, and she owns this wonderful place. Thank you for having us.
You're welcome.
The food looks fantastic. Thank you. Thank you so much for having us here.
Thank you for coming down all the way from the east.
For 10 years, and she lived all the way across the country, and it's good to see her. Thank you so much for having us. The
You're
food was
very
great.
welcome.
Guys, check it out. Check out Cigar Aficionado in Orange.
No. Club Aficionado Cigar Bar in Lake Forest, California.
Exactly. The food is phenomenal. If you're a cigar smoker, they also have an amazing lounge with a bar, food, all that good stuff. So check it out. If you want to continue watching our journey, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also, follow us on all of our social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.